Welcome to 119 days of cold calling training. Lessons learned from making and placing 17,534 cold calls. Hi guys, my name's Deepak Shukla. I'm the founder at Pearl Lemon Sales. We're a sales training agency based in the UK as well as the United States, and I'm really excited to share with you this training series effectively. So over the course of the next 119 videos, we're going to be going through some of the lessons learned from the tens of thousands of cold calls that I've placed. To be honest with you, the numbers potentially 5 to 10 times that. It's certainly higher, but 17,534 just sounds good. So over the coming videos, we're going to be walking through absolutely everything in terms of some of the in-field strategic things that are very practical, tangible, and actionable that I've learned from all of the cold calling that I've done, as well as the cold calling my team has done at Pearl Lemon Leads, our sister company, a lead generation business alongside Pearl Lemon Sales, our sales training and development agency for clients as well as ourselves. And I'm just really excited to be going through tons and tons of strategies from power dialing versus manual dialing. I mean, there's an incredible list of items we're going to be going through. Here's just a few short and small things to consider, and there's going to be tons more. So, look, I'm excited to begin this journey with you. Strap in because, as I said, there's going to be 119 days of this, and it's all of the experience that we've learned from actual cold calling training. You'll find that we're one of the few agencies across the world that has tens of hours of our cold calls on YouTube that are accessible to everybody for people to go and watch. And well, without further ado, if you're looking to get sales training, if you're looking to understand how to effectively cold call and make it work and book appointments with some of the most ultimately influential people within organizations, marketing directors, managing directors, CTOs, CFOs. You're going to be learning exactly how to make that happen through the processes that we'll describe over the next 119 days. So I hope you're excited. Without further ado, let's get into it.